Sige, pray na.
Dear God, thank you for this morning, guys. Thank you for this food, guys. At with ko. Name, amen. Amen. Oh, ganun yung pagkain namin. Thank you for this food.
Oh.
Tapos ano?
Pag uuwi na, ano yung pinipray?
Ano ba yun?
At time yung Monday, Tuesday, sige.
Monday, Tuesday, Thursday,
Wednesday.
Wednesday.
Sige, umpisa, Monday.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday.
Wednesday, Thursday. Sige na.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. We go school. Saturday, working day. Saturday, working day. And pray. I fold my head. I close my eyes. I bound my head. And say, the Lord, and for this morning, guys, at we study your word and play. Name, amen.
Ang galing nga. Good morning.
Good morning.